Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that promises to elevate your shower experience to a whole new level. We discovered the Taiker Filtered Shower Head, a high-pressure rainfall shower head and handheld shower filter combo, and we've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Taiker Filtered Shower Head? This luxurious shower head features a sleek chrome-plated finish, crafted from rust-proof ABS plastic, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also ensures durability. Its standout feature is its ability to deliver a high-pressure rainfall-like experience, making it feel as if you're showering under a warm downpour. With a maximum flow rate of 1.48 gallons per minute, this shower head is designed to provide you with a refreshing and invigorating shower every time. One of the most important features of the Taiker Filtered Shower Head is its built-in water filter. This filter is specifically designed to purify your shower water by dramatically reducing harmful chlorine, impurities, heavy metals, and unpleasant odors. If you've ever experienced skin dryness, allergies, or pigmentation issues, this shower head might just be the solution you're looking for. By filtering out those impurities, it helps improve the overall condition of your skin, hair, and nails, giving you that spa-like treatment right in your own bathroom. But let's not forget about the versatility of this product. The Taiker shower head is also a handheld shower, coming with a 60-inch long hose that allows for flexible use. Whether you're bathing kids, washing pets, or tackling cleaning tasks around the house, this shower head is designed to make your life easier. The chrome-plated design not only looks beautiful, but it also features 3 different shower modes, allowing you to customize your experience to suit your needs. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys a luxurious shower experience and values the health benefits of filtered water, this shower head is perfect for you. It's also ideal for families or pet owners who need a convenient and effective way to manage bath time. Additionally, anyone who has faced issues with skin sensitivity or hair health due to hard water will find this product particularly beneficial. Practical use cases for the Taiker Filtered Shower Head are abundant. Imagine stepping into your shower after a long day and being enveloped by a soothing rainfall of warm water. The high-pressure output ensures that every part of your body is thoroughly rinsed and rejuvenated. Alternatively, if you have kids or pets, using the handheld feature makes it easy to control the water flow and angle, ensuring a stress-free bathing experience. Plus, with its easy installation process, you won't need to call in a handyman. It works with all standard half-inch pipe threads and can be set up in just a few minutes. In summary, the Taiker Filtered Shower Head is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their shower experience while enjoying the benefits of filtered water. With its stylish design, high-pressure performance, and versatile functionality, it's a fantastic addition to any bathroom.